Otumfuo, Osei Tutu II, is very likely to visit Eswatini again after receiving a formal invitation during King Mswati's recent visit to Ghana. Now the world knows the fascinating ties between the Eswatini king, His Majesty Mswati III, and Ghana, courtesy the Ashanti king, Otumfuo, Osei Tutu II. This video uncovers the rich history and royal diplomacy that has blossomed between these two remarkable kingdoms. We delve into the possibility of Asantehene visiting King Mswati III. The two kings would use such a forthcoming occasion to engage in crucial meetings and cultural exchanges, thereby strengthening royal diplomacy and relations. The two monarchs are dedicated to embracing cultural diversity and enhancing cooperation for the betterment of their nations. Don't miss this captivating journey into African history, as it is bound to happen. Yes, based on the most recent developments, it certainly seems likely that the Asantehene, Otumfuo, Osei Tutu II will visit King Mswati III of Eswatini again soon. In June 2025, while King Mswati was on a state visit to Ghana, he formally extended an invitation to the Asantehene for a reciprocal visit. Eswatini's monarch explicitly invited him to participate in one of Eswatini's national cultural celebrations. This comes after a decade-long tradition of mutual visits. Otumfuo previously visited Eswatini in 2015, and this visit aligns with the pattern of reciprocal royal diplomacy. Given the successful cultural exchange, like the vibrant symbolic Grand Durbar in Kumasi and the gifts exchanged, alongside the official invitation, it's very plausible that Asantehene will accept and attend a future Eswatini event, further cementing ties between their kingdoms.